Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So here we have the Yamaha Blaster. So I'll show you a picture of the before and after insert right here. This is what it looks like now. Turned out amazing. I really like it. So there's a lot of stuff actually done to this thing. So let me turn this camera around and I'll walk around and talk with the details. Alrighty guys, here's a full view of the blaster. So where should I start? So a lot of you will probably want to know, how did I make the plastics look real good again? So like I said in the previous videos, I went ahead and I took a razor and I slightly scraped all that. And then I went ahead and used linseed oil and some acetone or lacquer thinner will work. And you mix 40-60 and then you just apply it. You can do actually multiple coats, and the more lacquer thinner, the less shine, and the more linseed oil, the more of a shine you'll have, and it leaves like actually a coating. And you want to store it actually in a place where there will be a little bit of dust, and right now was the season of pollen, so I actually had a lot of pollen stick to it. So what I did was I went and I mixed 50-50 of linseed oil and acetone, and I actually came out with a more duller finish, which is something I actually like, because shiny stuff kind of actually would leave a little scuff or something like that, but this actually turned out real nice and I really like this. So this came out perfect, just the way I like it. And yeah, so we have a little stress mark right here, which I could have went ahead and took it out with the heat gun, but I left that one out. I could actually still go ahead and remove that, but overall it turned out pretty good with the restoration of the plastics. And went ahead, recovered the seat, changed the light. That one had a broken light, if anybody remembers and wants to go back and see the previous video of this blaster when I bought it. So on this side it has the breakaway handlebar, it doesn't squeak no more, and got new grips. They're the lockable grips. Everything works. Brakes, clutch, and it has a rear brakes. So I'll put on a new rear grab bar, and it's awesome. Check out the rear gold chain, a little different color just to throw some accent. And the rear brakes, and they work perfectly, flawlessly, and they actually grip really good. So the rims polished out really good, like I said in the previous video. So I'll put new tires on there, put a bunch of different stickers I had laying around from other parts I received and stuff like that, which I know some of you won't like and some of you won't mind, but hey, it is what it is. So I went ahead and stripped everything and removed the parts, and I went ahead and painted everything, and then I clear coated everything, right? And what I did was I actually painted the engine with the heat paint, and everything in the back painted. So it has the spacers on there, 2-inch spacers in the back and 1.5 spacers in the front, which gives it a pretty good stance. The wheels are actually rotated, gives it more stance. And also I bought these covers. I actually bought them on eBay, which are like 25 bucks around there. And yeah, I never painted the shocks underneath there, so I sealed the exhaust so the way it has no leaks with some heat gasket. So it has emergency brake, which locks in there, pushing this pin, and the cable is all connected, works. So I went ahead and took off the air cap and I jetted it for the pipe, because when I took off the carburetor it was actually a stock jet in there, so I upgraded the jet. And also I took it apart and inspected what I have inside, and I noticed I had Boyson reeds, the double, so that had to be all upgraded to better airflow, gas mixture. I mixed 32:1, installed a new spark plug, so it turned out pretty good. It starts pretty fast, so let's go ahead and give it a start. So turn on the gas. Let's see, let's try it out without the choke. So I'm very pleased how this quad actually turned out. So I did actually go ahead and rebuild the carburetor. Actually, I didn't rebuild it. I actually just cleaned it all out. So yeah, everything looks pretty good and runs perfect. It's pretty cold out here. We're having a cold front, so I needed to still do some light tuning on it, but overall it's actually doing pretty good. Alrighty guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Want to stick around? Might see some more videos on the 3-wheeler. About to get the rims powder coated, so before you know it, it's going to be ready to go soon. So yeah, alrighty guys, stick around for some more content. Alright guys, peace.